In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new graphs in TradingView 2026. We're going to walk through the process of creating a new graph in TradingView, specifically using the fundamental graphs area. This is a helpful feature if you want to organize your market research, compare data more clearly, or simply keep your analysis separated into different custom graph setups. To get started, go to TradingView in your web browser. Once the site loads, look at the top menu area. This is where TradingView keeps its main navigation options, and it's usually the quickest way to access specific tools and features across the platform. From that top menu, click on Products. This will open the section where TradingView groups its different tools, charting features, and analysis options. If you're new to the platform, this menu is a good place to explore because it gives you access to more than just standard price charts. After that, click on Fundamental Graphs. This will take you into the part of TradingView designed for viewing and organizing financial and fundamental data in graph form. Depending on your layout, it may take a second to load, so just give it a moment if needed. Once you're inside the Fundamental Graphs page, move your attention to the left side panel. This panel is where you'll usually find your current graph selection and graph management options. It's an important area because this is where you can switch between saved graphs or begin creating a new one. In that left panel, find the section labeled Untitled Graph. Next to it, click the drop-down button. This drop-down opens a small menu with actions related to your current graph setup. From the menu that appears, click Create New Graph. This tells TradingView that you want to start a fresh graph rather than edit the one currently on screen. It's a useful option whenever you want to keep different analyses separate and clearly named. Now type in the name for your new graph. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on the company, sector, or type of data you plan to track. Clear names can save time when you come back to your graphs in the future. Once the name is entered, click Create. Your new graph will now be created and added to your list, ready for you to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a new graph in TradingView. From here, you can continue customizing it based on the data and view you need.